When you cut your finger, adhesive bandages come in very handy. But how are they actually made? First, the process requires a variety of materials. The most important component is ETS, a material that stretches in only one direction. This roll of fabric is 1,800 meters long, can produce 2 million small bandages.
We apply a thin layer of glue to one side of the fabric.
Adhesive is applied to one side of the fabric, which is then heated to 49 degrees C to create a foam structure, forming tiny pores on the surface. The adhesive fabric is then rolled back up. Adhesive bandages come in various sizes. Using a blade, we cut the material into various widths. Next, the cut strips are gathered together, ready for the next stage of the process. Now, the protective pads need to be attached to the bandages. The material used for these pads is this large roll of fabric. It is breathable and helps stop bleeding. First, a machine cuts it into strips. The blade is extremely sharp and is sharpened every 6 months. The protective pads are easily sliced through. Next comes the bonding stage. We place the fabric and the ETS material into an automated machine, which cuts and packages them individually. Due to hygiene and sales volume requirements, the factory features a high level of automation. The bandages are individually wrapped. We then use white paper to wrap the bandages. Packaging speeds vary by product, ranging from 300 to 1,500 units per minute. Generally, the smaller the bandage, the faster the speed. Workers collect the finished bandages into boxes and transport them to the next workshop. Next is the perforation stage. This cylindrical roller is part of a specially designed machine. Perforating the material allows the bandages to be easily separated later. Workers are responsible for packing the finished bandages into boxes. These are smaller bandages. Their manufacturing process differs slightly, driven by the rollers. Next, two protective paper strips are applied to the ends of the adhesive bandage. This is the type of bandage we use most commonly. The next step is packaging. Using a high-speed robotic arm, the bandages are picked up and placed between two sheets of packaging paper. This machine operates faster than the human eye can track. At full speed, it can package 300 bandages per minute. The sealing process is equally rapid, quickly pressing the 2 layers of packaging paper together. The factory can sterilize 10,000 units at a time. An automated system then counts out the correct quantity and deposits them into a designated area, dropping them into cardboard boxes on the assembly line. With packaging complete, they are ready for sale. Since minor injuries are inevitable, there is never a shortage of demand.